Hi, my name is Belland, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sincronizada and telling you how it's related to pi 3.14. You're going to need a can of beans. You're going to need a pint of mozzarella cheese and a pint of fresh cheese. You could add a lime if you want. And flour tortillas from your local store. And for meat, we're using fajita. And now we're going to be cutting up the meat into small pieces. After you put the oil, you put the meat. You add some salt. You're gonna add a pinch of cheese for the mixture with beans. Which, by the way, a mixture is when you combine two or more things. For example, if you were to find the diameter of, for example, this circle, you would get a measuring tape / ruler, anything that you can measure with. And for example, in this one is 6.5. Now, if I were to find the pi of this, since I already had the diameter, well, if I were to find the pi, it would be like you have 1 right here, 2 right here, 3 right here, and the 0.14 would be what's left. And now you just heat up your tortilla. We're gonna be adding the beans to both of our tortillas. Now that I have added the meat, I'm going to combine my fresh cheese. And this is the final product, and the lime is optional. Pi is the ratio of the circumference of any circle to the diameter of that circle. Fun fact is that the formula for pi is circumference divided by diameter equals 3.14 in every circle. And now you enjoy your sincronizada.